You will see how to repair the ammeter. If the ammeter shows inappropriate reading, check whether the pointer is bent or not. In case if the pointer is bent, make it straight using a pincer. Check the sharpness of the pointer. If the pointer is not sharp, replace it with a correct one. Then assemble the parts of the ammeter. Before using the ammeter, adjust the pointer to be at 0 position using the knob. Remove the dust particles from the pointer and make sure they move freely on the scale. By using the above methods, the inappropriate problem can be solved. Thus, you have learned how to repair the moving iron type ammeter.